Hi, I'm Skylar. It's possible to use the headphone jack on your iPhone for line level recording with an adapter. That's the caveat. So what I recommend is a device made by KV Connection, and you can find them at kvconnection.com right here. And one of the most commonly used adapters is the 1/8 inch. So they have one for 28 bucks. It's a really high quality cable, and it's super easy to use. You don't have to use any sort of special application. It'll record into GarageBand, for example, or even just the voice memos application. So that's a really good option. And they have them for all sorts of different interfaces. So if you want to use XLR, for example, you can connect XLR or 1/4 inch. They've got a lot of really good adapters. Another option, if you want stereo recording, is to go with the Line 6 Mobile In. And this is a 1/4 inch to 30 pin input. So it plugs into the dock connector on the bottom of your iPhone. It would work with iPhone 5 or iPad with Retina display or iPad mini if you got the and even then, it wouldn't be super expensive, and you get the highest fidelity possible recording that way. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.